Alright, I just wanted to do a quick update video. It's been a while since I put one out. Main reason is because I've been doing some remodeling in the house, and also the weather. It kind of sucks. My garage is not heated, so it's difficult to stay warm out here when it's single digits. As you can tell, I'm in the process of reorganizing, so I've got things stacked everywhere. I do have a clean spot right here though, amazingly. Plan on doing some more cleanup, and then I've got a workbench I'm going to build. Oh, sorry about that. A kitchen table I need to build, a bookshelf for my daughter, some more end tables for my other daughter. So I have quite a few projects I'm going to be working on. I plan on videoing them. So the last video that I made was right before Christmas. It was a cutting board. It was a gift, and it was everything was going good, and then the lighting, it started, I guess a bulb was going out, so it was getting a flicker that was not noticeable until I started editing the video, and it was horrible. So I scrapped the entire video, and I haven't made another one yet, but I will. My niece is doing a craft show sometime in April, and she wants me to make a few items for her, so I'll video that, and one of the things I'm going to make for her is a cutting board, or 2, 3, something like that. So I'll video that, and I believe I've got my lighting issue fixed. So I went to an auction and I bought these LED floodlights that are 100 watt equivalent, and I do believe that should put some light on the subject with no issues. So I'm hoping that with this and getting my shop cleaned up, that I will be able to get some videos done. So bear with me. I started doing woodworking on my YouTube channel. I used to have gaming videos. I think I might still have one of them up, but started doing woodworking videos. I posted my first one February 23rd of 2017. So it took me a year to build up the courage to do it. I finally did it, and it's by far not the best. It's just a quick SketchUp video of a cabinet I was going to make for a police officer friend of mine, and I have not made it yet. So, but I do have the video. I plan on getting the plans finished up on it, and that's one of the projects I will be working on in the next few months. But I've gained 74 subscribers in the last year. I've put out 10 published videos, and I've got 5 private videos that only a select few people have seen because, well, they were tests more or less. So, but yeah, for my subscribers, thank you guys very much. I truly appreciate the fact of you guys subscribing to me. The comments have all been positive. Rebuilding or putting a new bearing in a Black & Decker router was my highest performing video. My next one was my pallet wood upcycled Adirondack chairs. So yes, feel free to watch anything, leave comments, stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully I'll be getting a bunch of them out very soon. So thank you very much. God bless, and have a great day.